Hello stunning fan, Michelle here. We're glad you stopped by. Today we're making an age-old recipe of cinnamon salt dough. We're going to use it to make cutout gingerbread men and turn them into a garland for a Christmas decoration. The recipe calls for 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of water. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Mix all the ingredients to form a dough and then start the fun part. Flour a board, ready to start cutting out your shapes. For the best results, roll the dough to be 1/4 inch in thickness. Once the dough is 1/4 inch thick, you can use your desired cutouts to cut out your shapes. If you're going to be hanging your ornaments, don't forget to poke a hole in the top of the ornament using a toothpick so that you'll have a place to string a string or a ribbon once the ornaments have been baked. As you can see, we mostly did gingerbread men, but we also added in a few heart shapes that we used some pressed stamps to embed the name of a couple babies that were born into our family this year, and then a few little gingerbread houses to decorate later as decorations. When all your ornaments are cut out, then you pop them in the oven at 250 degrees and you let them bake for 2 hours. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Once our ornaments were baked and cooled, we decided that we were going to paint them also. So we added some white squiggly lines on our gingerbread's arms and legs to make them look a little bit more festive. We had some wood beads in various sizes on hand, so we decided to add a pop of color to our garland by using some acrylic paint to paint the beads in brown, red, and white, and we used some of the beads in their unfinished state too, and it really added a really cute little Christmassy gingerbready theme in the color. Once the beads were all painted and dried, we used some baker's twine and we started to create the garland by stringing on the beads in random colors and sizes and then popping a little gingerbread men in between the beads here and there. Once the garland was strung, we used some baker's twine and some regular jute twine and we wrapped them around a piece of cardboard to create a tassel to put on each end of the garland. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.